beautiful people. Aww. So, you can probably tell by this title already, I'm gonna make a massive platter in this video. I'm in love with this trend right now, so I'm so excited. It's gonna be for my birthday. I'm having 20 to 30 people over this weekend. I've already got the platter board ready to go. I cut that down to size this morning. We got like a plank of wood from Bunnings. It cost about $20. It was like the cheapest and easiest thing I could find because I was looking around and everything that I found was way too expensive or way too small. So yeah, this was the easiest option, and it has some kind of steel over the top. I think it's called melamine, because apparently if like it's just normal wood with no seal, something from the wood might soak into the food and it could be like toxic. It's like 2 days till Saturday now, which is when everyone's coming over, so we're gonna go shopping tonight. We as in Chris, who I'm dragging along, and I. Let's go, Naz, let's go. Oh my god. I get crosscuts. What would you eat? I love these. Yes, let's get these. Okay. Next. Well, those are really cheap. Let's get these instead of the Eatons. And some musk sticks. Marshmallows. Let's go.
Yeah, I think I need way more. And there's way more in it. Oh shit, is that too much? And then I add more. Got this. See, this will work. Hello. I'm just gonna do like 2 of these. Oh, they're adorable. Cute. Alright, so current situation. In there. See you in like 2 days.
I've had this idea to make the hummuses because it'll be really cheap and we can make like heaps of different colors, plus it's healthier as well. So we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna coat the cake pops. I've got to make some signs for the platter because I want to, and prepare some fruits and stuff, and then we can start putting some stuff down. Yeah, I think this is going to be kind of hard because I want to prepare it early, but we're preparing it outside, so we don't want it to get bad. Yeah, but we'll be right. We'll just do the sweet tower first. Okay, so for pretty much all the hummuses we've got lemon juice. Turmeric is just for one of them, sorry. We got garlic, tahini, chickpeas, and a blender, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Oh, this one says salt, ignore that.
If
They're so small. I got a lot of sweet.
Yeah.
Oh my god, more. Might put some pretzels on there. Oh my god. I was scared I didn't have enough sweets.
Lebkuchen mix. My praise look better than that.
Savory crackers around here. Olive's gonna go in there. Salsa in one of them. Tzatziki in the other. Put some like savory ones around here because like it's gonna like flow into the savory. So we start off with pretty plain savory first. So then it can go into like cheesy and salty. Salty. Oh. So that's pretty much for the crackers at the moment. Grab some crackers and some veggies, some dips. Yeah. Alright, I feel like we've done a lot since we last recorded.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put these maybe here.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Lift that up. What's it doing?
What the hell?
What?
I didn't put those there.
You did.
I should put these.
In my mouth.
Yeah. What about
yeah.
the other end?
Like here.
Yeah, okay.
So fruit is in the
Oh, I forgot about these. One here. No. One back. Oh. One back there maybe. Maybe?
Why?
Is that pretty much everything now? That's everything, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. We just put some more biscuits and chips probably.
Yeah.
Do you have
Same with it now.
toothpicks?
Yes, I do. I bought heaps. Okay, so I know we said these don't look very appealing, but they actually taste really good. They taste like those, I think they're called pfeffernuss. You get them around Christmas time and they're just gingerbread and icing, but these ones have chocolate on the bottom. And they taste good, so don't judge a book by its cover, I guess. So that was the platter, guys. I'm not sure, did I tell you guys how much like the whole platter cost? I think like the food was probably around like just over $100 or something. Like I went to Aldi, so it's pretty cheap there. And yeah, we did a pretty good job of clearing the platter. The only thing that didn't really get eaten was the sweet tier. I don't know. Oh, fuck. I don't really know how to say that word. Like, I don't know, people always correct me when I say it. Like I'm saying it wrong somehow. I don't know if it's tier or tier, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. Everyone was drinking, so they said they didn't really feel like sweets, which is fair enough. I just had heaps of sweets because I am the biggest sweet tooth, and even though I'm drinking and it like ruins the taste of my drink when I eat sweets, I still do it because I just can't resist. And yeah, also I think I might have forgotten to film like the little meat section. I think it was just like salami, cabana, I can't remember what else was on there. Obviously I didn't have much meat because I'm a vegetarian, but a lot of my friends are not, so I think meat would have just been like kind of requested. I would so want to do like a full vegan platter one day. So yeah, I might do one of those soon. I don't know when, but if you'd like to see that, definitely let me know, because I would have so much fun doing that, I reckon, and it would be so yummy. Oh my god. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.